Good morning, students. Now we are going to start chapter 4, linear equations in two variables. In this chapter, exercise 4.1, linear equations. Let us first recall what you have studied so far. Consider the following equations. 2x plus 5 is equal to 0. Its solution or roots will be minus 5 by 2. Means 2x plus 5 is equal to 0. If we solve 2x plus 5 is equal to 0, then value of x will be minus 5 by 2, because 2x is equal to minus 5 and x is equal to minus 5 by 2. Now, while solving an equation, you must always keep the following points in the mind. The solution of a linear equation is not affected when the same number is added to both the sides of the equation. You multiply or divide both the sides of equations by the same non-zero number. Let us now consider the following situations. So in a one-day international cricket match between India and Sri Lanka played in Nagpur, two Indian batsmen together scored 176 runs. Total score is 176 runs. Express this information in the form of an equation. Here you can see that the score of neither of them is known, i.e. it implies that there are two unknown quantities. Let us use x and y to denote them. So the number of runs scored by one of the batsmen is x and number of runs scored by the other batsman is y. And because there are total scored 176 runs, so x plus y will be equal to 176, which is the required equation. Clear? So this equation is an example of linear equation in two variables. It is, so in case of linear equation of two variables, there will be two variables, x and y. Now, but other letters may also be used. Some examples of linear equations of two variables are 1.2s plus 3t is equal to 5, or p plus 4q is equal to 7, or pi u plus 5v is equal to 9, or 3 is equal to 2x minus 7y. So here in case of 1.2s plus 3t is equal to 5, here variables are s and t. In p plus 4q is equal to 7, variables are p and q. And in equation pi u plus 5v is equal to 9, variables are u and v. And in equation 3 is equal to 2x minus 7y, variables are x and y. Clear? Now, these equations can be written as 1.2s plus 3t minus 5 is equal to 0. Means 1.2s plus 3t is equal to 5 can be written as 1.2s plus 3t minus 5 is equal to 0. Similarly, p plus 4q is equal to 7 can be written as p plus 4q minus 7 is equal to 0. Similarly, pi u plus 5v is equal to 9 can be written as pi u plus 5v minus 9 is equal to 0. Similarly, 3 is equal to 2x minus 7y can be written as 2x minus 7y minus 3 is equal to 0. You can write it. Clear? Now, so any equation which can be put in the form of ax plus by is equal to c. means equation in two variables you can write in the form of ax plus by plus c is equal to 0, where x and y are variable, where a, b and c are real numbers and a and b are not both zeros, is called a linear equation in two variables. Clear? Now see the example here. Write the equation of the following, write each of the following equation in the form of ax plus by is equal to c. Sorry, ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. You have to write the given equation in this form. So first part is 2x plus 3y is equal to 4.37. So you can write it, you have to convert it in the form of ax plus by is equal to c. So this equation can be written as 2x plus 3y minus 4.37 is equal to 0. Here a will be 2, b will be 3 and c will be minus 4.37. On comparing with ax plus by plus c is equal to 0, you can find a, b and c. Similarly, in second part, given equation is x minus 4 is equal to 3y. This equation can be written as x minus 3y minus 4 is equal to 0. Now comparing this equation with ax plus by plus c is equal to 0, a will be 1, b will be minus 3 and c will be minus 4. Clear? Similarly, in third part, equation is 4 is equal to 5x minus 3y. This equation can be written in the form of ax plus by is equal to c. You can write it 5x minus 3y minus 4 is equal to 0. Now comparing it with the standard form ax plus by plus c is equal to 0, then a will be 5, b will be minus 3 and c will be 4. Clear? This equation can also be written as minus 5x plus 3y is equal to 4, and on comparing it with ax plus by plus c is equal to 0, a is equal to minus 5, b is equal to 3 and c is equal to 4. Clear? Similarly, in fourth part, equation is 2x is equal to y. Now write it in the form of ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. So this will be 2x minus y plus 0 is equal to 0. Now comparing it with ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. So a will be 2, b will be minus 2 and c will be 0. Clear? So equation of the type ax plus b is equal to 0 are also examples of linear equations in two variables, because they can be expressed in the form of ax plus 0 into y plus b is equal to 0. Clear? Now next example. For example, 4 minus 3x is equal to 0 can be written as minus 3x plus 0 into y plus 4 is equal to 0. It means 4 minus 3x is equal to 0 is a linear equation of two variables. Clear? Now, next example, write each of the following as equation in two variables. So you have to write x is equal to minus 5 in the form of equation in two variables. Clear? So we know that equation in two variable, its standard form is ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. So x is equal to minus 5 can be written as 1 into x plus 0 into y is equal to minus 5. Clear? Or you can write it 1 into x plus 0 into y plus 5 is equal to 0. Here a will be 1, b will be 0 and c will be 5. Clear? Now similarly, in second part, y is equal to 2. y is equal to 2, you have to write in the form of ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. You can write it 0 into x, 1 into y is equal to 2, or 0 into x plus 1 into y minus 2 is equal to 0. So which is the standard form. Here a will be 0, b will be 1 and c will be minus 2. Clear? Now next example, 2x is equal to 3. So 2x is equal to 3, you have to represent it in linear equation in two variable. So you can write it 2x plus 0 into y minus 3 is equal to 0. Clear? So this is the form of ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. Here a is equal to 2 and b is equal to 0 and c is equal to minus 3. Similarly, last example, 5y is equal to 2. 5y is equal to 2 can be written as 0 into x plus 5y minus 2 is equal to 0. Clear? On comparing it with ax plus by plus c is equal to 0, a will be 0, b will be 5 and c will be minus 2. Clear, students? So students, you have to solve all questions of exercise 4.1 with example.